Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I just cool method right here, and basically what this is an over cabinet towel bar holder. So you definitely use this to put it over your cabinet to actually hold all your towels and everything on here. But eventually the one that we got right here is from the brand called mDesign. And obviously there's a lot of other ones available out there in the market today, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. The one that we got right here is a 9.2 inch wide. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So for the one that we got right here, like I mentioned, it's from the brand called mDesign. And the way how they designed this one right here definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. They mentioned the one that we got right here is a chrome design or chrome material. So if you guys hear material on here, it definitely sounds like a high quality material. And this is basically what the side looks like. So you basically want to hang this over a cabinet door. And if you guys look in the back part here, they do have the little hole, so that way if you guys want to drill it on, you can definitely do that as well. But if you want to hang this over a cabinet door, you definitely can. If you guys see it in the inside right here, they definitely have this little padding. So once you guys put it on, you don't have to worry about it damaging like your cabinet door or anything, because it does have the little padding on here and also on this side as well. And then basically for this part right here is where you want to hang like a towel on here. And then for this product, they actually have it in many other design or color as well. So I believe there was like a white one, a silver one, and then the one that we got right here is a chrome one. And there's a few other options as well. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually go install this to show you guys how to install it and show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here at the product. So the way how you guys set this up is pretty easy. You basically want to open it up, slide it in. You basically want to close the door. And you put a towel right here. So let's say for example if I have this towel right here, fold it in half, slide it in right here. And this basically actually looks like once you guys set it up. So when you guys open up the door, it's very easy to actually get it. It doesn't block anything when you guys open up as well. And it's so much more convenient than what we've been using. Let me show you what I mean. So you see this is what we're using, and every time we actually move it down, it touches the floor, which is super inconvenient. So when we have this option now, it's so much easier when you guys open up. It won't touch the floor. It's super convenient, you can see. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up. Pretty straightforward and very easy to set up and super easy to use as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now to get a quick test of the product, definitely see the actual product definitely does work. And it's super easy to install the product. Basically all you guys need to do is hang this over like a cabinet door. You definitely want to do your own measurement to make sure it fits over your cabinet door first before you guys purchase it. But you see that once we actually install the product, it actually looks pretty nice. Definitely the whole setup process didn't take me that long. All we need to do is just hang it over a cabinet door, set up the towel on there, and then it's basically all set. So previously, before I actually got this product right here, I've been hanging the towel over like my oven and everything, and that's kind of inconvenient. And the reason why, because every time when we pull down the oven door, the towel actually falls down onto the floor and it touches the ground, which I didn't like that at all. So definitely getting this option is much more convenient, so that way when you guys open up the door, the towel actually would touch the side of the other door instead of touching the floor. And honestly, I prefer that over touching the floor because the floor is dirty. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. So you don't have to worry about the product getting damaged or it's weak or whatever over time. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality towel bar holder that you can put over like a cabinet door to save space. If you guys are in the same situation as me where you guys hang your towel over like the oven handlebar and you guys don't like the fact of how it actually touches the floor when you guys open it up, then definitely getting one of these right here are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.